we do here is go back.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Lil Roy, aka Lil Roy TV. We doing a quick review, quick unboxing, all that stuff, cause I just got it in the mail. I'm finally not wearing the J. Cole hoodie that I had in my previous videos. Yeah, I'm like hot, so we're just wearing a calm little thermal. Yeah, my hair's not done, back to regular programming. Yeah, we're gonna do a quick little review for you guys and my input on them. So you see the title, so you see what we're looking at. Like always, I always say, make sure you subscribe, because as soon as we hit 1K subs, I'm doing an absolutely free giveaway. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment whatever you want, and we're gonna get right into the video. So let's get it. Wait, I'm gonna do back. Y'all know what's up. Honestly, I don't like how my hair looks, so I'm gonna just add the little polo beanie, because I don't like how it looks. My hair, I look nuts. So I still look mad sus. But anyways, let's get into it. Y'all see what we got here. Boom, the Hyper Royal Jordan 1 mids, GS size. I got a men's size coming in the mail, but they're supposed to come today, the same day as these. But I guess because the snow or the weather or whatever, it delayed it, so it might come tomorrow. I didn't want to wait till tomorrow to do the video to show both pairs. I'm just excited because I was happy that the GS pairs came first, because I'm in love with these. Y'all watch my videos, y'all know I love GS sizes. I don't know, it's because it's so little. I just like how it looks. It's like so cute, whatever. You know, they call it base sizes. But these, man, these look like the reverse Royal Toes, but are mid. Look at these beauties. Look at those. Nice and shiny. Man, I need to get, I would love to get more pairs of these, because I believe in them. Only 90 bucks for GS sizes. 90 bucks for a shoe that I think will one day hit around 2 something. I don't know. I'm gonna try to hold these as long as I can. So I'm really still trying to get the band ones of the GS sizes, the band GS size Jordan 1 mids, the red ones. I could have had some, but I was lazy and I didn't want to get up and go to the store that had leftover GS size pairs. But that's my fault, which I was kind of lazy. But yeah, I'm just trying to check for the glue stains, my bad. But yeah, overall, I'm in love with these shoes. Like, I know I'm gonna get the men's sizes. Men's size come in the mail, but I do not care. These GS sizes right here is on the money. Look at that. Nice and shiny. This is a beauty. Look at that. Nice and shiny. Let's do a little thumbnail. I probably did, but you see the tongue? It got the, what I was about to show y'all. We got the, blue tongue right there. Jumpman that says air. Man, these are, I've seen a lot of mids, obviously now, but these mids right here is outstanding. Outstanding quality. Outstanding. I don't know how they're so low right now, but these are an amazing shoe right here. And the funny thing is, I got my size in the men's sizes, 9.5. Well, I wear 10, 9.5, depending whatever shoe it is, but 9.5, 10 is really my sizes. But these, man, I'm so in love with these. you wear GS sizes, this is, like, to me, a must cop. If you could get your hands on them, then it's a must cop. If you can't, then move on. But this, got that good Jordan smell, as always. Let's get another thumbnail cut. I just want to... Either way you put it, man, I don't know what else to say about these. Right now, retail is, like I said, retail is 90. Resale right now is not too crazy. Like, I don't, like, it's not too crazy on resale price. So if you don't get them, you could try to get them from somebody that's gonna panic, that can't hold them. They'll probably sell it to you for close to retail. But yeah. So that's all I gotta really say about these. You see it right here. Let's bring it closer for you guys. Look at that. Nice. So yeah, I didn't want to wait for the men's size. Just want to show you guys these real quick. Hyper Royal Jordan 1 mids, GS size, 6.5. And the men's size I will have, but I'm not gonna wait to shoot another video. Jesus, Nike. How many flaws they gonna show me in this pair? Mad glue stains. Jeez. Anyways. Yeah. One more smell for the camera. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna say about this video. The video's already too long. So just quick little review on these. One more time, I'll show y'all the bottom, the top, side by side, and the back. Real back shiny. That's my favorite part of the shoe. To show the back. But okay. Like I always, make sure you subscribe to the channel as soon as we hit 1K subs. Absolute free giveaway, so make sure you subscribe. Let's build the channel. Lil Roy is out of here. Make sure you like the video as well. Comment whatever you got to say about the video or what you think about these. Let me know. Yeah. Stay tuned to the next vid. Go watch all my previous videos. Let's get them views up back to where it needs to go for all my videos. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. So let's build over there as well on my Instagram. So go subscribe to that. And I'll see you on the next vid. And like always, I'll end it with a B-roll. And we out.